Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Artsy back with another video. So today's video is the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War Die Machine zombies Easter egg all the way through, beat the whole thing. It's a really cool video. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. My friend really knew what he was doing for most of the time. I didn't really know exactly what to do, but he helped me through it, so I appreciate him for that. And completing the Easter egg, I'm not going to give away what happens, but you get this cool Evil Unleashed Dark Ops title or call sign, which is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, today's video is really cool. Got tons of zombies, obviously, and yeah. So tomorrow actually starts the campaign walkthrough for Cold War. Monday is the first episode, so be on the lookout for that. And there'll be some episodes after that, just until all the campaign's finished. So I think you guys will enjoy that. I'm having a lot of fun making those. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And then follow me on my socials for more Cold War, sniping, Modern Warfare, I mean, you name it. Any kind of content, I can do it. So just stay tuned, guys, and I appreciate you. Peace.
I believe so, but I think, like,
Requiem actual strike team is on the
they
ground.
would tell you if you're onto something or something like that.
Welcome to Alpha Site, Strike.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get to work.
Speed. Doink. Doink.
Dude, you fucking Mike Tyson that guy from, like, long reach.
Dimensional breaches occurring around the globe. Of course, it comes back to this facility.
You'd know better than most, Dr. Strauss. Team facility
Since I
entrance should be
open,
just
as soon
ahead.
as I have the points.
Double points.
So grab this door.
Okay. I should be able to open this one, too. Nope.
How much is that one?
It's $12.50. So I'll just kill a few zombies right here and then open it. Alright.
Max ammo.
I can open the next one.
This guy got fucked up right here.
Oh, fuck yeah. It's like, oh. Whatever zombie was picking at him, fucking clean the plate.
Yeah, I remember in World at War, or not World at War, yeah, World at War, if I got to like round like 8, I was like 8, 10, I was like, woohoo! I was like, damn, I'm killing it!
Have you played Left 4 Dead?
No, I've heard it's a good game though.
Oh, it was so good. You could fix the zombie. That was really cool.
You could play as a zombie? That's pretty cool.
Yeah, not like in story mode, but online you could, yeah. Story mode was fun. It was like 4 people going through stories, and you have to like kill zombies on the way to the next safe house. Yeah, I'm gonna open up this next door.
Oh,
After it.
fuck, I just bought a shotgun.
Strange. The door opens on its own, as if to welcome us, like Lazarus risen from the dead. I take no pleasure in revisiting this wretched place. I heard rumors of the research that transpired after my departure towards Horla, a gateway to hell.
Looks like Omega Group decided to pick up where the Nazis left off. We should get the power on.
Bonus points.
Do you mind opening up this next door so I can open up the power room as soon as we get in?
Yeah. Oh shit, 1750.
Damn, okay. Keep the zombie alive. Open the door right here.
Okay.
What's last zombie, last zombie. Then we might as well do the dancing Easter egg since it skips somehow.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna head out to the, to the fucking tunnel or whatever.
Yeah. If it's there, just build the, oh shit, I forgot to
My God, the atom smasher. The collision of the particles.
You forgot to do what?
Under the abandoned atomic research, they found something
Oh.
greater.
That looks just like the other anomalies we've seen.
Let me know if it's in there, if it's not one over the other one.
It's here.
Signal lost. I don't know how.
It's there?
Yep, I got it. You want me to build it right now, or are you doing something?
Yeah, go ahead, build it. Okay, so just let's see what else I can do.
There's
Oh, yeah.
one right down here in the
Anomaly
power room.
reestablished. Thought we lost you there.
I can build
What happened? Where did they go?
It appears our strike team went on a little trip. Systems show they have now returned from the other side.
I would not want to be the strike team that has to do this shit. I'd be like, can't they just go to Russia or some shit?
You guys have been really stinky.
Fuck! These dogs scare the absolute shit out of me every time.
Okay, I see I've grabbed 2 more points.
Ah!
Waste them. Ideas, you know.
You good?
Yeah, so many dogs.
I just found an aether scope part.
Oh, good, that's what I need. Because I can go ahead and build it, and I can go back and keep it.
I hit one of the crystals and it came out of a crystal.
Device.
Really?
Any idea what it
Yeah.
is?
Right here.
Appears to be part of a scanning device. I imagine the installation created so they could record data from the other dimension.
That dumbass is about to kill himself in the gas.
Oh, just did. I just got a zombie elimination points for it.
Yeah, there's 2. So I just killed one.
Watch out for my act.
Alright, time to get jogged.
It's our lucky day, strike team. We have new orders from the director. We are to shut down the dimensional breach in an effort to
Actually, I'm
contain
gonna
the
get
spread.
stamina up because Jug usually
Suggestions?
comes out of that.
If you wish to achieve
Right.
absolute separation between dimensions, you'll have to shut down the Atom Smasher.
If you need me to come get my act, just let me know.
Gosh.
Anomaly detected.
Going after you again.
Okay, cool. He always wants me, man. What's his problem?
Bro, he fucking spawns right next to me and beelines his shit towards you.
He's obsessed with me.
Fucking just sees me and he's like, no, wrong person. And he's like, dips.
Ah. Can't believe that dancing zombie box gave me ray gun. I was shocked when I saw it. I said, no way.
I think we got it. Hopefully it gives us better luck.
Yeah. This game's cursed. As soon as we said, let's back out, it popped the ray gun out. Said, haha, bitch. You either gotta back out or stay with the ray gun. It's just
Now
cool.
there's something you don't see in your average evil Nazi
Zombie
secret
thing.
bunker.
When I was stationed here, we had a similar chamber in case of radiation exposure. It appears the device has been extensively modified to restore brain functionality to the living dead.
Just now I just need big dude.
So I can kill this dude after this one?
No,
Oh, it'll start. The devs of this game were probably so excited for people to play it.
Hell yeah.
They're like, I can't wait till they see him dance.
Multiplayer, they're like, yeah, fuck this case.
Yeah, I know. Sniper community's pissed. Let's nerf the snipes. I feel like they did it just to piss us off.
Definitely.
I played Modern Warfare yesterday and I hit more incredible clips than I ever have just coming back from Cold War. It felt like the easiest game I've ever played in my life. I had like 4 6-ons, like 5 5-mans, like I was going crazy.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try to hit this box with the legendary on it. Not yet.
One more, right? Nope, one more after that.
No, not yet. There we go.
Only as good as the guy.
Ah! Well, this definitely isn't the ray gun. Jesus, they're on your ass.
I'm checking the weapon. I don't have a second ray, so I'm supposed to take yours. So I'm not gonna make this same mistake twice, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy stamina. I see a big guy just shooting that tree.
It is troubling, Reaver. Omega Group coming here and reactivating the Atom Smasher.
The Soviets buried this in 45. So what changed? Omega Group must have had a damn good reason to open it back up.
EMF readings in your area just went off the charts. Whatever it is, it's moving in your direction. Fascinating. The tree's sap has been chemically altered, dripping what appears to be liquid nitrogen.
You mean to lure him over there?
I already got him. He just needs to die now.
Okay.
Split him.
Curious.
Just keep us on this weapon.
Okay.
Should be huge.
There's one. Alright, yep, just this guy. Is this Type 63 any good?
I have no idea, to be honest.
It's probably not going to be good for defending the boss, though, with DMR.
Yeah.
Probably have
I
to
guess
shoot
if you
the shit out.
want to keep spinning and try to get that ray gun or even the legendary weapon.
Yeah. Might as well. I mean, it's okay now, but I'm gonna need something that sprays
Compressive isotopic
or
restraint.
something really good.
Did you haven't even played with the Wonder Weapon?
Huh?
Have you even played with the Wonder Weapon yet?
Commandeering this shit.
I have not.
Actually,
I'm gonna
go ahead and
max
kill this all.
it.
At least I won't be empty-handed.
Ellington? Fuck it. I'm gonna run it this round. Oh wait, this is epic. I don't think I should trade it for that then.
Now stay dead.
Oh shit.
Yeah. As soon as I get the one weapon, we can do the whole Easter egg in one go.
Cool.
We just have to make sure we have to
Keep a zombie this round?
Guy.
Oh yeah, split him and then I'll take one and then...
Yeah, I'm gonna let one go up first, and when I hit the Q, now when you are waiting seconds to check, then you bring yours down. See if that works.
Okay.
If it doesn't, I'm gonna kill myself.
Tell Hal that Wood said.
Alright, this is my last zombie, I'm gonna kill him. Actually,
Wait,
I'll just...
Make sure to keep the zombie away from you so I don't accidentally blow him up.
Oh damn, you killed that guy?
Yeah.
I never saw that, it's funny.
That was surprising. I was watching the Easter steps and I didn't know a zombie. Let's go for it. I guess next round we can just train. Hopefully big guy comes.
Yep.
Split it. And then just... That's gonna suck.
Proceeding with initialization. Initialization complete. The Vesla operational.
We're good now.
So now we just need a big guy to come in here?
Well, we got plenty of subjects. Ideas?
This entire idea is already beyond the pale. I wouldn't even know where to begin with a recommendation.
I got a window for Chopper Exfil strike team.
There was two the whole time, huh?
Regroup.
Alright, so... We'll just wait for a big guy and then I'll split him off the rip. Make sure not to kill him.
Well, we need to make sure there's not two big guys.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah, I won't split him off the rip.
Mobile meat pile frag. God Victor. Face erased.
One's on me from that guy.
Okay.
Undead asshole neutral.
I don't see him. Do you have zombies over there? I only got one.
Another one of the zombies over
Bye
here.
bye, bitches.
So you don't have any?
I got one. I'll just keep him if you want.
Yeah, I'll kill most of these guys.
Yeah. And then I'll come over there and we'll take them in different directions.
Yeah. Just split him.
Okay.
Still window's gone. I'll let you know when the next one's available.
Alright, come on. Why don't you come here? Alright, I got this one. Oh, they like to stay together. Here we go.
Let's go. One stinky bitch.
I'm just gonna sprint around with him in this area. Just keep him far away from that motherfucker. I don't care how long this takes. They're gonna get in there at very separate times.
Yes. Hey, where are you?
Zombies. Dude, this zombie's about to kill himself in the fucking gas. Bro, get away from that. You guys are on the same team.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. He just fucked your booty cheeks, bro.
You're dead. Come on, you stinky bitch. Keep running.
Dude, zombie, don't go in it! Oh, it's not hurting him. Thought it was.
Alright, let's go bring him in.
Alright.
Let's go. I think we did it. It looks okay. It doesn't look like that green milky gas.
Yeah. Alright, I'm on my way. He's sprinting.
Hey, you can just run that at me if you'll come to us.
Alright, I'll take this
zombie.
dude out of here.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Oh, you fucker. Follow me. Good boy.
Let's go.
Proceed to observation.
Let's go.
It worked! Thank God.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Do I kill this guy?
Wait. No way.
What happened?
Get up there, team.
I hope this lunacy of yours proves successful.
I can't do anything with that. You come down here. Come down here so you can interact with the computer.
Okay. Is there a step before that, or are you positive like this is it?
I'm positive this is it. You can
I'd
pause it and
imagine
check.
that computer stores useful information.
You just died
You
too.
can access it.
Or did you do it?
I did it. Wait, well,
Okay. Now what do we do?
we just wait. We just watch this.
Oh, we're making him a friend. Now we gotta protect this guy?
No.
Oh, damn.
We can honestly just play the game for.
He can speak?
Like, yeah.
What has happened to me? What am I? I am a monster. What did you do to me? I must get out of here. I must escape.
Warning. Subject has broken containment.
Well, I suppose we shouldn't be surprised by that catastrophic failure. It was a noble effort.
This isn't over. Get after him, now.
Now we gotta protect him? That dude split. We don't gotta fucking play with these big guys anymore, right? We can just kill these bastards.
So, Strauss, if your old pals were studying interdimensional bullshit, what would you use it for? What was Project Ambition's real
This whole
purpose?
window.
It is no secret that Zero had a fascination with the occult and Maniac wanted
Take out
anything
some
that could
weapons.
possibly
Hold on, I can't really hear you. I got so many fucking zombies in my
knows
face.
the power you could wield having
1 second, I'll get somewhere more
resources
quiet.
of another dimension. Isn't that also Requiem's purpose, leader?
We're sure as shit not gonna find him in the dark.
Okay, what was that?
Options?
Perhaps
So we
a
can
lure,
take the gun for a
something he
little
will
bit.
find
Get
irresistible.
more perks.
An arm,
Okay.
a leg,
Upgrade the
brains,
weapons, and then we
perhaps.
can go into the boss fight.
Sounds good.
Well, basically, this is the Easter egg. We can, I think, go knock out Toby, go in the dark ether, then you and I watch the MS standing, then maybe take a photo, and then, yeah, that's Fisher.
Cool.
This KSP's not that bad.
Where'd that guy go?
Oh, he's hiding somewhere, like, in the power room. That's why the lights are off.
Away from me.
Oh yeah, you just said stay away from me.
You can't find him until we do the boss fight.
Oh, you just hear him.
Yeah, in this room.
You're dead, dumbass!
If you want to, we can, oh, okay, so we can use the portal for the dark ether, like that we need to use for the boss fight. We can use that portal to, like, just fuck around and, open up the crystals and see if we get good shit.
Okay.
So, if we don't do the boss fight, then we'll just go away and put 25 kills to get back. How many zombies you got?
None.
Huh?
Yep. Just killed my last one. Dude, that was cool when he was in there. He turned to a human. That's crazy.
Alright, I'm going to dark ether so we can just fuck around and
Okay.
find the thing. Find some good shit.
Yep.
I really want to pack a punch the ray gun instead of this weapon. Okay, money.
How hard is the boss fight?
Not very hard, especially if you have a ray gun or the gun I have. Because I literally just started spraying and praying.
Gotcha.
Honestly, we could do the gunfight, or the boss fight like right now. We'd be okay. If I just spent more money on perks.
I don't want to risk it. I can play a few more rounds.
Yeah. Because I for sure wouldn't run out of ammo or now. Because the thing that I have does so much damage, and every time you kill one of the big guys, they drop ammo. So I would just be constantly getting ammo.
Huh. There's a lot of big guys, like Mega, whatever the fuck.
Yeah. But we have to protect old dude.
Okay.
Go.
And then after that, do we gotta run to the chopper?
Yep.
Or do we just get in it?
Only one of us has to make it to the chopper, but yeah, we exfil basically. That's the last part of the Easter egg.
Let's see, what should I get? I'll get the quick revive just in case, because that shit, I wouldn't have been able to get you 90% of the time last round without it.
Health regen. Health regen go on.
Yeah. Or not self-revive, quick revive, I mean. I don't know if I said that before.
Yeah.
Anomaly detected.
So where is the boss fight? Just Just down in the power room?
Another boss fight? Yeah. Oh shit, didn't do that, sorry.
Nah, you're good. So do we need to open up everything here? Like, there's a few doors we haven't opened.
No. The boss fight is only in the power room. You're locked in the power room.
Okay. I don't know if this DMR is gonna do it, man.
Yeah, go ahead. Shoot for the boss.
No, this DMR is not gonna do it.
I already have to watch it. What do you want to go into here? So I was thinking I'll just like gain some weapon points so I can get last perk. That's what I'm doing. It's like I said, I'm not gonna use this one.
Kinda quiet now, ain't you? Strength in numbers! Don't think so! Moaning shitbag KIA.
Yeah, I'm gonna hit the box. So you see where it is?
Yeah, it's by me.
Okay.
Stuck here.
You have a zombie on you?
I do not.
I have two.
Okay, I'll just hit this guy.
Oh, wait.
Oh, okay, I guess it's fine. Alright.
What's that mean, son of a bitch?
There.
Bye-bye.
I'll grab the last perk I need while that resets. Do you think I need all the perks? Should I get the Deadeye Daiquiri or whatever?
Honestly, I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm just gonna pack punch this weapon real quick.
Okay. Let's see where the next box goes. Let me know if you see the box.
Okay.
Alright, I got it. Oh shit, it's underneath.
I can't find the zombie. It's probably on you. Okay. So
Yeah, he was on me.
I'll come to you then.
Takes patience. Not sure I got that.
M16.
I'll make it work.
I can see if I can get a ray gun for you too. Well, less my money. Ooh.
Oh! Tier 5?
Better be.
Pack-a-punch time! Dude, that was the last trials. Wait, can I pack-a-punch with this dude in here?
Yeah. Back one.
Okay. I was scared of him. He's creepy.
Chillin'. Yeah. Alright, after you pack a punch out, you ready to do boss fight?
Yeah, I got good guns. Should we refill ammo or let me go fill up my shield just to have a full shield. I got a self-revive too, so that's clutch. I think we both do.
Yeah. No, I don't have one, but I probably won't need it to be honest. I will do this though.
The gold AK-74 is clutch.
I'm going to stock up on stems.
Yeah, I got 5 stems.
I'm good. You ready?
Yep. Do I just stay down here in the power room? Or does it matter? It'll just take us in there no matter what.
It doesn't matter. Alright, come to me.
Okay.
I'm knocked. So you can watch this cutscene with me. Or this little, not cutscene, but
Shit. I'm far away.
this guy talking. You're good. Take it down.
On my way.
For your sake.
Almost there.
Anomaly detected.
Alright, I'm here.
Deadbeat.
Oh, good lord.
I got it.
You just saved my life.
I thought the zombies wouldn't come to this one. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I got no shield, but fuck it.
No, go ahead, get shield first. That's fine, let's go get shield first.
Okay.
Oh, not too big a diamond.
I'm gonna kill one because my shotgun is OP as fuck.
Exfil window open.
He's immune. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna refill my ammo. Alright.
Honestly, I might just wait around.
Yeah, save zombie.
Oh, do you want to? Yeah, wait around.
Yeah, let's just wait one. That's good.
Drop another zombie.
Let's just go wait around. At least try to punch this thing another time. Because I'm 5,000.
That shouldn't end the round, I don't think.
We should probably... Okay, yeah, well... I have a zombie on me.
I got a few on me.
One less zombie. You're welcome. Tell how the wood said.
I got one on me.
Come on. Alright. Heal him. Come.
Exfil window gone.
For your sake.
I'm gonna take this opportunity to try to get a ray gun.
Fuck it, I'm gonna try to get a ray gun too. I don't think there's a box out here. Oh yeah, there is.
Submachine gun. That'll work.
I got a purple AK. If you want it.
Oh, come on.
What is it?
Fuck, I couldn't pick it up.
Is it a die?
It was a die.
That's all good. No worries. Forgot this AK. But yeah, that'd be kind of cool to use the die. But I don't know if I'd want to, my first time using it, to be in this situation where I don't really know what the fuck's going on. I'd start sucking souls when I should be blasting.
Yeah. Sorry. Well, I guess I might as well just buy it quick if we're gonna go ahead and get last part.
Yeah, screw it, me too.
Yep. I'm ready. You good to go?
Yep.
Alright.
Here we go!
Yes, sir. Let's start blasting. Well, we actually have to, he talks on it before we actually start going with it.
Or love. Should we stay close to each other?
Yeah, definitely.
Should we go down there with him?
We have to protect them.
Are familiar to me. I knew them once. Years past. They were my simia, my family. I came here to this cursed land to do a job. Amiga, they had me, yet they made me turn on this machine of the damned. It caused horrible things. I caused horrible things. Amiga group, they have big plans. You are here to stop them. I will help you. We will shut off this infernal machine. Close the gateway. It will be the first step. I will repair the damage I have done.
Need protecting.
I must confess, Weaver, I did not believe this would work.
Is that here?
I commend your
Yeah.
out of the box thinking.
Deactivating the accelerator is priority 1, strike team. If we can't do it, why is the time it needs?
Oh! Jesus, dude, that was insane.
Yeah. Let's start
We did it?
There's one.
Two more, okay. He's got good health!
I must complete the system overhaul.
You good? There's a shield right there. Holy fuck.
Deadbeat down.
Okay, so he's doing this one. So this is the last one. Okay, that AK is not very good. My axe here. Oh, we did it. Alright, so we gotta get out. Alright, I'm following. Thank you, Olav. Go through?
And no, just stay right behind me. I know exactly how to get through this.
Okay.
Do not touch the blue beams of light, they will kill you immediately.
Immediately, oh shit.
Yeah.
That's all I need to hear. Raptor 1 is inbound, strike team. Get the hell out of there.
Commence facility evacuation. You have 90 seconds to reach minimum entry point.
Raptor 1 is the LZ, Requiem active.
Oh!
Okay, now we wait.
Jesus, my aim is horrible right now.
Raptor 1 on the ground, Requiem. Strike team.
So nervous.
Let's move it.
Get in!
This is Raptor 1.
Let's go, dude! We did it! Now what happens here?
Salute you? Hell no.
They just nuke it.
Requiem, Alpha Site.
Oh shit!
Facility has been destroyed.
Good work, strike
Olaf.
team. We've closed the breach.
Really
But I
did
got
that,
a
huh?
feeling Omega Group is just getting started.
Did that for us.
Damn. That was cool.
You should have got something for your Dark Ops.